where we set up our booth under the sunny sky. Jam our roof into the cook-off, come give it a try. Chili pots bubbling, oh the flavors collide. With corn in our mix, we're feeling so proud inside. Vendors all around, music playing so loud, tasting all the dishes. Oh, it's a fun crowd. Oh baby, let's celebrate this chilly day, oh my. We took home third place, can you believe we tried?
Congratulations!
Oh yeah.
Second place was brisket, seasoned just right. The electric company won, but we held our ground. The police had fan favorites, but our joy knows no bounds. What a day full of laughter, with friends all around. In Horseshoe Bay, oh what a chill we found. Oh baby, let's celebrate this chilly day, oh my. We took home third place, can you believe we tried?
Stop by Miss Vicky's tent, give her a try.
So here's to the memories, let's do it again. With chili and laughter, a time with friends under the blue skies, making our mark. J-Mar Roofing, we sure hit the spot. Oh baby, let's celebrate this chilly day, oh my. We took home third place, can you believe we tried?
Thank you, we appreciate that. We're sure happy to be back out here again this year. We love this place up here. Forgot to bring my rod and reel again though. I'll remember next time.